Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a fidget spinner. It's green, just got it today. It's a little jammed up on the thing, the spinning, but pretty neat. As you can see, the bearings, and I just got it from Rural King, and you can get one if you want one, and that is all.